What happens once we receive an offer on your home? Once we get an offer on your home is actually when the fun begins. It can be stressful if you don't receive the amount you were hoping for. And that's why you hire a great negotiator like myself. Hi, I'm Angela Sandoval with 𝘂𝗶𝗁𝘃. Knowing how to properly negotiate on your behalf is essential, not only to getting you the most amount of money on your home, but also to negotiate the best terms for you. Once we receive offers on your home, there are a few essential components that need to be done prior to meeting with you to discuss the offers. We vet the buyers by calling the agents and the lender and making sure that the buyers are truly qualified. We verify funds and ask critical questions and find out how motivated and in love with your property the buyer is. During this process, we're also getting to learn about the buyer's agent and lender to see how much experience they have, if they've properly educated the buyer, and we get an idea as to how they're going to be to work with. Believe it or not, the buyer's agent is just as important to ensuring that the deal will close as the buyer's qualification. After vetting the buyer, their realtor, and lender, then we meet with you to discuss the offer and review the terms. We will give you our advice and feedback on the offers in regards to the pros and cons of each. But ultimately, you make the decision as to which offer to take and what to counter. Now, if we have more than one offer, there's another process that we need to go through. We give an offer deadline date, then we do a counter offer to all the offers, requesting them to give us their highest and best offer. Once we have those, we meet with you to discuss which of those offers you'd like to counter. Generally, this gives us an opportunity to get the highest price from the buyer and the best terms for you. So we're picking from the cream of the crop, so to speak. At this time, the buyer can choose to accept our terms or to counter us back. You have the opportunity to choose which offer you would like to take at that time. And again, we will advise you as to the pros and cons of each. Once we come to terms, we are now officially in escrow. Watch the next video to understand what happens now and what to expect regarding timelines. Understand that in most cases, if you're dealing with a loan, the average time frame to close on a home is about 30 days, give or take. If you're dealing with cash, you can close in as little as 7 days, but 14 days is more realistic. I'm Angela Sandoval with 𝘂𝗶𝗁𝘃. Give us a call with your real estate questions. We'd love the opportunity to serve you.